Here we are again with slope-intercept form, and now we are writing the equation of a line given 2 points. So you've had a little bit of time to write that title, writing the equation of a line from 2 points. And here are the 2 points that they're giving us. And we know that the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. That is slope-intercept form. It's, it should be like in your brain cells by now memorized. And all we have to do in order to write the equation of this line is we have to fill in the slope and the y-intercept. We know what the slope is, if it's a positive or negative slope, and we know that the y-intercept is where this line crosses over the y-axis. So, step 1, we have to find the slope, okay? So, what do I always say when you're given 2 points? What do we do? What is the first thing that we do? We label the first point x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So we know what we're going to put where when we're solving for slope, okay? So our y sub 2 is a negative 8, so we'll put negative 8. And our y sub 1 is a positive 1. Our x sub 2 is 5. And our x sub 1 is 2, okay? So when you do, now we just do the math. So negative 8 minus 1 is a negative 9. And a 5 minus 2 is 3. And when we simplify, negative 9 divided by 3 gives us a negative 3. So what is our slope? Negative 3. You just wrote we're already halfway done. Okay? So now all we have to do, folks, is what? Solve for b. This is the only missing part. All right, how do we solve for b? Super easy, okay? We're going to write the equation of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. And then we're going to fill in, we're going to rewrite it with the empties, okay? Empty equals, what is our slope? Negative 3. And then fill in your empty for x plus b. We're solving for b. Well, you might be asking me, Ms. Hutchinson, what goes in these empties? Well, I'm going to tell you. You're going to pick one of the points, okay? Choose either one, and my recommendation will be always choose the points that are like smaller numbers because they're easier to work with. So here we have positive 2, positive 1. So I'm going to put the y value, which is a positive 1, in for the y here. And then my x value goes here. So my x value is a positive 2. And now all we have to do is do the math and solve for b. So here we go. Bring down your 1. And negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6 plus b. Have we solved for b yet? No, we need to move that negative 6 to the other side. So we're going to add 6 to both sides. Those cancel. Bring down your b, and b equals 1 plus 6 is 7. So guess what? Watch. Shh. That is the equation of your line. That slope, your y-intercept is 7, and it goes right there. So now I'm going to give you, okay,